Hi there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you two different ways on how to make your own mouthwash at home, and it's very healthy. It supports your health and your breath. And the good part is that it is made with 4 ingredients. And this is the one I used to use. It got finished and I looked into the ingredients and I was like, I can make this for myself, and it's not this many ingredients in it. Less is usually more. So I'm going to share with you how you can make it both with essential oils and natural herbs, and they are very effective. And I'm going to share the research that I've made on these 4 ingredients concerning our breath. Here is rosemary water. It has been boiled and infused for 4 days. This is lemon essential oil. Like I said, I'm going to make 2 different ones. This one is going to be made with essential oils, and this is clove essential oil. I'm adding to it, and each is 10 drops. So in total, we are going to have 30 drops of essential oil. And here is peppermint essential oil. So if you are wondering, are these healthy for the body? I asked Google, does lemon help breath? Lemon helps freshen breath by increasing saliva production and creating an acidic environment that discourages odor-causing bacteria. So, in case you are wondering, I have made the research and this is the finished product. So there you have it, how to make your own mouthwash at home that is healthy and very, very effective. And this is the real one with all herbs, in case you don't have these essential oils, because they are very expensive. This is rosemary leaves, whole cloves, and mint leaves. I don't have peppermint, but I use mint instead. And first, I'm going to wash those leaves and then start prepping them for the mouthwash. Liking the video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. In this channel, we support organic, healthy, homemade ingredients, DIY, that support your health in every way possible. So give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. First, you need 8 ounces of water, clean water, and I pour that into the pot because I'm going to boil it in the stove to extract the nutrients that we need for the mouthwash. So water is on the stove. Next is to measure out half teaspoon of whole cloves. Next is the lemon. So we are going to use the lemon zest, and that's why we need to wash it. And here I have my organic fruit and vegetable wash. So first I run water on it, then spray it and clean it with a scrub to make sure all the dirt are properly removed. So here is either you use a knife to peel it out gently, or you use a grater to shred it and take the back off, the zest off of it. That is how you get the lemon oil from it. So I did that and I found out that I still have something left on the lemon. I had to peel it off with a knife. So do whatever works for you. And now the water had boiled. So first I go in with rosemary and mint together with clove and also the lemon zest. Liking the video so far, please give it a like. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So this will make a great tea. I love it. I love the smell. My house was smelling so good with the clove and the rosemary lemon. Makes your house smells amazing. And I also love this as tea, as natural herb tea. This is amazing. So it has boiled and I've turned off the stove and I'm putting it aside for it to infuse. So this is the color on the first day. You can see it's still hot. Then after day 4, it has infused very well and we are ready. So this method, you don't need anything to add to it. Every of the ingredients have infused properly into the water, and there you have it. How to make your own mouthwash. So I'm using the old bottle, reusable bottle, to fill it up, and that's how you do it, with all natural herbs, no chemical added to it. And you notice the color is the natural color, not the blue color that comes with other mouthwash that is not even healthy. And this one doesn't have no alcohol, which is not healthy, and it doesn't support your body. There you have it. So let's try this. And this is how I used to gargle my mouth after brushing. I keep it in my mouth for like 30 seconds. And one beautiful thing is that after I rinse it out, I enjoy drinking water because it tastes amazing. So there you have it. I would encourage you to make your own and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.